Hello, it's Flavia Costa here, and I have been receiving lots of questions online asking me about the CPE. So here you go. This is the C2 Proficiency exam, the one that will prove to the world that you have an excellent English. Come with me. All right, so this is Cambridge English website. Well, not Cambridge English anymore. This is Cambridge Assessment English website. You are on the Cambridge Assessment page. Right there, you will see Home, Why Choose Us, Exams and Tests. When you open Exams and Tests, you will see all of the exams Cambridge applies, including, see, the extremely famous IELTS. The IELTS is the exam you need to immigrate to Canada or to Australia. I also teach for IELTS, but today we're focusing on the best. We're focusing on the C2 Proficiency, which is the one that will last forever. It does not expire every 2 years, and it is in a higher level than the IELTS. You really need to have your English up to par to be able to take this exam, okay? If you don't, go to the CAE or the FCE or take the IELTS to see which level you are. We are going to talk about the IELTS in another video. Let's go back to the C2 Proficiency. When you open the C2 Proficiency exam, you are going to see there C2 Proficiency, when previously you would read Cambridge English Proficiency CPE. Let's read it here. C2 Proficiency, formerly known as Cambridge English Proficiency CPE, is one of our Cambridge English qualifications. It is our highest level qualification, proof that you're a highly competent speaker of English. It says here on the side, our exam names have changed. We have changed the names of our exams to make it easier to understand how to progress from one qualification to the next. All of Cambridge qualifications are based on the CEFR. Then you are going here to CEFR level. Can you see that? C2, what's this? Let's open it up. This is the CEFR, the Cambridge European Framework of Reference, which measures your level of English. Okay, here are the Cambridge English qualifications. You can see it there. I'm moving my cursor there. And the multi-level tests, which are also prepared by Cambridge Assessment. Okay, here you can see the IELTS, the most famous international certificate around the world right now. The IELTS is an exam that measures from level B1 to level C2. And nobody can fail the IELTS. Well, you can if you're below B1. But usually, if you're taking the IELTS, you have some English, and you will be positioned within those lines here. The C2 Proficiency, on the other hand, is the highest level of English achievable by the Common European Framework of Reference, the CEFR, which is accepted all over the world. The C2 Proficiency is for you if you have reached the highest level of English. Okay, you have already reached an IELTS 8.5, or you have never taken an IELTS, but you know that your English is that good, you're going to take the C2 Proficiency. It's valid for your life, it never expires, and it's going to look great in your resume. Because if you're competing for a better job or for a better salary, the C2 Proficiency is the exam you should have. Okay? All right, so my friends keep telling me that I should tell you to subscribe to my channel. And if I don't do it, you will forget to subscribe. So if you liked this video and if you understood the explanation, subscribe to the channel, click on the little bell so you will know when I give free, valuable content again. Hope you liked it. My name is Flavia Costa. I am your CPE teacher. See you next class.